Welcome to the updated version of Quest app with new and exciting features. This new avatar of Quest app comes with a simplified login process, a more interactive community page, and access to jobs. So let's take a tour. If you already have an account on Quest app, you can log in using your existing account details. If you are new on Quest app, click on Register to sign up by choosing the profile of a student, alumni, or trainer. In this new app, if you forget your password, you can reset it using an OTP that will be sent to your registered number or email address. On your home page, you can see an overview of all your activity on Quest app. View your recent courses, see the latest posts of your classmates and trainers on the community page, and see the latest jobs posted on the jobs page. The library page will give you access to digital learning materials to build essential 21st century employability skills. These are your subjects. Each subject has many courses. You can learn them in your preferred language by using the language filter. Under each course, you will find lessons in the form of videos, interactive content, posters, quizzes, resources, and more. You can also track the real-time progress of your subjects, courses, and lessons. You can even download these lessons on your mobile phone and watch them offline. At the end of some lessons, you may even unlock some resources like videos, PDFs, and articles that you can learn more from. We'll keep updating these resources on the app over time. The community page is a safe space for students and trainers to interact. You can share learnings, ask doubts, and celebrate successes. By being active in the community, you can also build communication and digital skills. Now you can upload images, PDFs, and videos up to 10 MB and even post without showing your name. If you want, you can even delete and edit your posts and comments. On the jobs page, you will be able to see jobs that are relevant to you. You can filter the jobs by location, field, type of job, and salary. Show interest in the jobs that you are interested in. Delete jobs that are not relevant to you. And share job posts with your friends and classmates. The profile page can be used to view all your information and activity on Quest app. You can track the marks you have got in different assessments, view the badges you have earned from your performance in these assessments, and the points you have won by being active on Quest app. You can even edit your personal information and reset your password. The notifications feature will notify you every time if someone has commented or liked on your post, if there are new job listings, if you have unlocked new courses or resources, or if you have unlocked a new badge. So make sure you keep checking your notifications to stay up to date. If you face any issues on the app, you can use the help page. Here you can find frequently asked questions to find answers to the problems you are facing. If the answers are not there, you can even fill a form and report your problem with us. We will get back and solve your issue as soon as possible. So what are you waiting for? Update your Quest app now and start learning.